Parents, can I be real with you for a second? Last night, my niece came running into my room, wide-eyed, whispering, "I can't sleep, it's too dark." Her tiny hands clutched her blanket, and her whole body was tense. I could feel her fear, and honestly, my heart sank. Sound familiar? Maybe your child comes to you multiple times a night, afraid of the dark, or cries when it's bedtime. It can be exhausting, frustrating, and even make you question if you're doing something wrong. Here's the thing. Fear of the dark is normal. Kids' brains are learning to process imagination, emotions, and uncertainty. And tonight, I'll show you exact steps that actually help kids feel safe and calm, so bedtime becomes peaceful again. First, let's understand why kids fear the dark. Their brain is still developing. Nighttime feels unpredictable. Shadows, sounds, even their own imagination can feel scary. One friend told me her 5-year-old wouldn't sleep alone because of monsters in the closet. At first, she tried to force him to stay in bed, and it was a disaster. Tears, panic, refusals. The key is validation, letting them know it's okay to feel scared, while teaching them safety and coping skills. When we respond with calm empathy instead of frustration, fear reduces faster. Tonight, try starting with comfort. Hold their hand, give them a gentle hug, and say, "I understand you're scared. I'm right here with you." Even older kids need reassurance. A calm voice, soft touch, and eye contact help them feel safe. I've seen parents transform nightly panic into calm snuggles just by validating feelings first. Kids' brains relax when they feel understood. Next, control the environment. A soft nightlight, familiar toys, or a favorite blanket can do wonders. One mom placed a small, warm lamp near her child's bed. Suddenly, the room didn't feel so scary. She said, "He still notices shadows, but he's not panicking." Tip: keep the room slightly illuminated, cozy, and predictable. Avoid bright overhead lights or sudden flashes. The brain associates calm light with safety. Routine is everything. Kids' brains thrive on predictability. Start with calming activities 30 minutes before bed. A warm bath, soft music, gentle story time. Dim the lights gradually. Let your child know, this is the signal that sleep is coming. Consistency over days and weeks rewires the brain to feel secure, and fear slowly diminishes. Help them face darkness gradually. You don't have to abandon them overnight. For example, you can sit in the room while they fall asleep, move slightly farther each night, eventually leave the room while they feel confident. Small steps build trust and courage. Kids' brains learn safety through experience, not lectures. Celebrate victories, even tiny ones. Did they stay in bed for 5 minutes alone? Praise them. Did they turn off the nightlight without panic? Celebrate. Positive reinforcement teaches their brain that bedtime isn't scary. It's safe, calm, and rewarding. Remember, parents, fear of the dark is normal. It's part of growing up. But with comfort, calm environment, routines, gradual independence, and positive reinforcement, you can turn bedtime into a peaceful, safe experience. Tonight, try one of these steps. Notice the difference. Share your success in the comments, and let's help each other create calmer nights. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more parenting tips that actually work. Sweet dreams are possible for both you and your child.